floor graphics, really popular at the moment. I'm just going to show you how to quickly install them. Prep and clean the floor. We're just using a methylated spirit solution here. Any dust, any particles. Decide where you're putting your graphic. And we will use a hinge method. Straight down the middle. What we'll do is we'll take off half the sticker, peel it back, lay it down, and then do the other half. So you can peel half the sticker back. We'll use a snitty to cut it, but you can just use a knife as long as you watch your flooring. And then again, if you haven't got a squeegee, you can always use a loyalty card or a credit card. Just be careful it doesn't scratch the graphic. And then lay it down. It's just nice, easy movements. Then take your tape off. Now lay down the other half. Take away your backing paper, hold it your graphic, and again, nice smooth motions. Lay it down and then just give around the edges another squeegee because that's the weakest point of the graphic. There you have it, and then off to the next one.